Hello, you're watching Skillsheen, and in this video we will discuss on how to transfer your domain away from Wix to some other domain service provider. In this case, we will be using Dynadot. I have previously made a video on why I am choosing this one. You may proceed with Dynadot or some other like Namecheap or Porpun. This isn't any sponsored video, nor I do any. But remember to choose domain service provider that is ICANN accredited. As per ICANN domain terms, after registering your domain name, you cannot transfer it within 60 days. So keep that in mind. In this case, the domain is near its expiration period. Now to transfer a domain, you need the authorization code to initiate it. Sign in to your Wix account, go to settings and choose domain option. Click transfer and then click I still want to transfer. It just wants you to get a bit tensed on reading those words. Believe me, it's not at all difficult to set up even with your existing hosting plan. I will describe that a bit later. Now the code is sent to my mail. As you can see, this is the code that is marked for personal issues. You have to copy everything after the colon that is highlighted or in bold characters. Now in Dynadot, enter the domain name without www or https and then paste the authorization code. Click on transfer and you can see it gets added to your cart. As you can see, I'm getting a bit greedy here and searching for coupons. Go ahead and create account if you don't have, or else just sign in. Enter the payment method with which you want to pay. Remember, Dynadot doesn't redirect you to a payment gateway after you enter the information. It sends you a link through which you need to pay. That link binds a payment processor which is either of that country or close to serving location. As you can see, mine got cancelled in the first try as I wasn't knowing this method. On the second try, my payment was successful, and after payment, you will receive a receipt for the same. Dynadot was slow here, so I received it after some time. You also need to click on a link to verify your identity. It just asks your name. This is as per ICANN guidelines, but you don't need to worry here. Dynadot shields this with free Whois guard. After some time, you will receive a mail saying this: your domain is not transferred to a new registrar yet. This is when the Dynadot sends a request to your current domain registrar about transfer request. You will receive a link from Wix which will require you to confirm. Hit accept transfer. Even if you don't click that button after 72 hours, Wix will automatically assume that you want to transfer away. Now after 7 to 8 days, the domain will be transferred to new registrar, in this case Dynadot. In Whois, as you can see, that registrar is now changed to Dynadot from Wix Domains LLC. Now if you already had a hosting plan with Wix, you need to go back to Wix account. Go to settings, click on manage domain from top panel, click those three dots, click manage DNS record. Copy those A records IP addresses and paste them in the same manner in Dynadot panel under DNS setting. Remember to choose Dynadot DNS from that drop down menu. It forwards your request to target address. Do the same for all records that you see in the panel. Some offers one-click export records, but I cannot see that feature here. That's it. In this whole procedure, there is very low to no downtime faced. I personally did not see any downtime. The only hassle that I faced was payment to Dynadot. It isn't convenient at all. That pay link doesn't come in time. Except that everything was truly good. That's it for now. If you have any issues, please comment below. Please wear a mask when outside home. Thanks for watching. Bye.